What up? Jeff here with all my ICP and Bitcoin renegades. Today we're going to be talking about the launch of our up and coming project, ICP Renegades. It is unlike almost any other collection on the internet computer. There's a few like 3D crystals. I see Peppy rooms, but that's about it. There's not a whole lot more. There might be one or two more of those projects. And then we're going to go in and look at the Elementum app. Or DApp on the internet computer, which is like a gambling DApp, and they work with projects and they give away prizes for the most active people over there. So we're going to have a cool show. Then we're going to look at Boom DAO, which is the self-proclaimed best gaming DAO on the internet computer. We'll see if that's true or not. I believe all the hype. It looks really cool. So hopefully everything will go great with that. As you saw at the beginning of the show, our NFT collection is fire. It is going to be really cool. It's unlike any other. Check out our Discover portal, which we're going to look at here in a minute. Let me get that link for you to our group so that you can go over there and check out our ICP Renegades portal. We're giving away 3 free NFTs. We have 160 members over there and not even very long. So you're definitely going to want to be a part of this. Let me get that portal link put in the chat for you and be active over there. And you can win, like I said, free NFTs. So we're giving away 3 here. We're only giving away 1 elsewhere. So this is going to be cool. What's up, Meta Al? Long time no see. Go follow him over on District. He is definitely has one of the bigger accounts over there. We are definitely going to be having some cool stuff today. I'm going to go right in and just show you some of this project of ours that's going to be coming out in the end of July. We have Victor tweeting it out for us. We have ICP Mint tweeting it out for us. We have Guido Val. We just have so many people that we're going to be working with. Hopefully Ghost. Their SNS is coming up right now and they're voting for it. So these are kind of cool things. Let's go right into the ICP Renegade account over here. This, as you saw, was the video we did earlier. Definitely go give us a follow over here on ICP Renegades at ICP, all capital with the first 4 letters, ICPR capital, and then Renegades as the E, all that is just lowercase. So we're giving away 2 Peppy Pass NFTs, 1 to 2 people, and they're going to be the rare Peppy passes. That way you can get into the Peppy rooms, which is another 3D NFT project by our creator, Ashutosh Yadav. Follow him as well. He's doing awesome stuff. Victor, ICP Squad, go follow him. He's tweeting out some of our stuff. We're just working with some incredible people. As you see, Ashutosh is just a fire creator. This is really cool. If we go through this one, you can kind of see more of the fight. So this is like an old Indian. Look how shiny and just cool and old school that is. Just so sick. These are going to be what the NFTs look like. So if you want to check that out, go over to ICP Renegades. Let's show you our Discover portal. 160 members, and we've been doing this for like less than a month. So we're doing really good. We're growing. We're going to be giving a lot of NFTs away over here. See, I posted this, but as we go down here, see Vivian Annie's posting. Mexanic is posting. Look at that, 61 likes. We got Clinton, who is one of our biggest supporters, at 115 likes for just a picture of it, right? So this is just really cool. Hey, Clint, again, really supportive. See Dennis, 71. We just have some amazing people that are reposting our stuff. And they're going to be the ones that are getting the free NFTs. So mainly you just want to post ICP Renegade stuff here. But if you're saying hi to people, good morning, just interacting with the community, that's fine too. Let's just keep it kind of on topic about community, about NFTs. This one was really cool. We're just going to have some really cool stuff, especially when we get creative people in here like this. So this is going to be amazing. Let's move on to the next big thing in ICP, though, before we get started on Elementum and BoomDAO. So the ICP Ethereum integration, my moderator was talking about that last time on our video. I've been talking about it for a long time. As you know, the Bitcoin integration is already here. But in February 2023, the ICP DeFi community convened at the Dfinity headquarters in Zurich during a DeFi-focused ICP.lab, which is also holding a big video game thing here in September or in Zurich to discuss an Ethereum integration. The outcome as a protocol level integration will take some time to complete, just like the Bitcoin one did. But when it came out, it worked flawlessly for the most part. I'd never heard of anything wrong with it. So they're taking their time. They're doing it right. The developers are there. They're doing it. But they're also thinking of other ways to implement Ethereum integration before the actual integration comes out, or Ethereum accessibility. So the community came up with a short-term solution to bring liquidity from Ethereum to the internet computer. And that's kind of like a demo. If you get a game, it's like the demo version of the game. They're trying to create something that works for now until the actual integration. But check this out. One that enables using Ethereum and ERC20 tokens, which are Ethereum tokens, for use cases such as the IC's DEXs, lending protocols, or marketplaces. So that would be, maybe they can hook up Yummy Marketplace, which is an Ethereum marketplace, over to tonic.io, or let you hook up your wallet over there through like some DeFi protocol. You can do lending and borrowing from Ethereum cross-chain to ICP. Pretty cool. Several ICP teams have started integrating cross-chain ETH solutions into their platforms by using components already available, such as chain key, as in chain key Bitcoin, chain key Ethereum, ECDSA signing, which is threshold signing, and it makes it safe and secure, no bridges. And then you can find out more, apply for ICP.lab. This is, they just have some of the biggest research and development teams in the world. And as you see, everybody really takes this seriously. This is going to be a multi-billion-dollar enterprise through crypto, right? Just Web3, building marketplaces, DEXs, lending protocols, Web3 gaming, metaverses, all of these kind of things. So that's pretty cool. Let's see how you guys are doing in the chat before we move it on. Hey, what's up, Motivational Sub? We got you over here. I love yellow ICP Renegade NFT. That's one of my favorites. Honestly, I'm a chopper guy. My friends used to really like crotch rockets and stuff. So there's something for everybody. We have our scooter lovers. We have some scooters over there. I actually saw this one electric scooter. It was actually a hybrid. It was part electric, part gas. And it literally took half a gallon of gas to fill it up. And you could go for like 1,000 miles, or I don't know if it's that much, but it was some crazy amount, right? So let's just discuss that for a moment, right? Our project is going to launch at the end of July. It's going to go for a certain amount of ICP we haven't settled on yet. We don't have 27 bikes. We were planning on having more bikes, but the 3D NFT and having a limited supply, you guys are going to get rarer NFTs. And so if we had like 27 different bikes, they wouldn't be as rare, right? So we're going to do about 10 or 15, as you saw in the video there. So it's going to be exclusive. We might have a generation 2 if we implement our bigger idea into the game. First, it's going to be a racing game. Then it's going to be an open world metaverse, and we're going to try to make it like one of your favorite games. We're not going to say how that is, but if you remember, the certain game started as a racing game and then turned into a mission later. And so that's kind of the idea that we have. We're talking with developers from Plethora on Wednesday, and hopefully we can get a good developer to come on, get funded after the NFT, use part of our profits from the NFT to put back into developers. Like, we're not in here to just make money right off the bat. Like, that's our long-term goal, but our short-term goal is to provide value for our community. I'm probably going to buy like $100 worth of different tokens to reward our top holders for holding the NFTs. Like, if you hold the most, or you hold the rarest, or you hold it for the longest, we're going to just airdrop some tokens to you. Maybe other NFTs like Peppy passes, like whatever we can do to provide value till we get our token. Then we're going to have in-game rewards, and we'll reward you that way. But it's going to be a reward system to and fro from beginning to end. Our moderators are part of this. I gave them a portion of my percentage of the total, project, because I believe my moderators add a lot of value. So we're going to reward them. We're going to reward our community, everybody who's posting on Discover, Twitter, Open Chat. We're going to pick winners from all of those. We have 55 airdrop to the community for that, and our giveaways and stuff like that. So it's going to be fire, guys. So let's get into our next thing, which is going to be Definity, talking about attending SCC Paris. Join us tonight at the ICP Rooftop Soiree for an unforgettable experience. Be there and get yourself exclusive NFT collectibles and a limited edition t-shirt. So if you're at SCC Paris, this is going to be pretty cool. The t-shirt is designed by the talented late Duke, created especially for this event. See you there. So, and then they had another tweet about it actually starting a little bit earlier right here. So ICP Rooftop Soiree, all set up and ready to party. So you work hard, you play hard. That's what the ICP community is all about. So definitely throw a like and a retweet there. But let's go on to Elementum, and then we'll talk about Boom DAO. So Elementum, like I said, is a card tournament. It has 4 major tournaments so far. The launch tournament, which was in May 24th of 2023. They gave away 3 IC puppies, ICP or IC puppies, and 6 Interitus NFTs. Then we have my partners, Project Ashutosh, IC Peppy rushing sessions. They gave away 1 Peppy room, 3 Peppy passes, and 2 Interitus. Then we had our, and that was on June 7th. And I actually was talking to them about this. They might be doing a tournament for our NFT as well. We're hoping to work it out with them and get something going. We've already been talking, so that's going to be pretty cool. Good Night Punks, another one of my favorite NFT projects from the internet computer. They're actually doing a lot of really cool ones. I never heard of IC Puppies before, but that's kind of just like a cutesy little, NFT that could possibly provide breeding and other things like that, like those different kind of projects. Just kind of like real life, right? If you want to breed a dog, you do it. If you don't, you don't. You just keep the dog. Same with the NFT. And Good Night Punks, they have an open world metaverse. The IC Peppy, like I was saying, the Peppy Rooms is a 3D NFT. There's very few of those. They gave away 11 Good Night Punks up here, which is pretty nice. And then they just had a Phasma one, which we were going to be right here, but our NFT project hasn't launched yet. So we're waiting for the end of July, early August at the latest, but hopefully we'll be on here as their partner for sure, and get a tournament going where you guys can win one of our NFTs. We might throw in a couple of Peppy passes too. Who knows? No, we'll figure some stuff out. Maybe I'll add some tokens if they can. I don't know. We'll talk to them and figure it out. But let's go back to their collections now. So Interitus, this is the one that you saw that they gave away. And it looks like it adds luck if you hold one of these, which it might be all like computer generated, AI generated, like how lucky you are, or maybe that doesn't even have anything to do with it. Maybe it's just points. But this is pretty cool. These are the Interitus. You can get these. Maybe they'll add some of these, to the tournament that we're going to do. Who knows? You never know. But these are pretty cool. I would definitely look in how to get these. Come over here to Elementum.one. I will actually leave the link in the comments right now. And remember to smash that like button, subscribe, guys, because once this NFT project comes out, we are really going to build a solid community around not only the NFTs, but the game. Our NFT will be on the open market, so you can buy them, but there's only going to be 555. This is good. That's why I'm saying, like, everybody who gets a free NFT, they could end up being worth over 100 ICP a piece once this game comes out, right? I'm not saying right now, but and especially we're launching in the bear market, going into the bull run. Our team's going to have some. I'm going to have, maybe a couple, like 2, but we have some for the team, but I'm not keeping a bunch, right? We're dividing them amongst us. We're giving 55 to airdrop, 250 for our public sale, and 200 for the special whitelist price, which is going to be like a full ICP or something under the public sale. So, okay, let's go in and check out the faceted Meninas. This is also one of the collections, I believe, from Elementum over here. Pretty cool stuff. It kind of reminds me of those Russian nesting dolls a little bit, or like a tchotchke, knick-knack type deal. This would be kind of a good gift to get to your girlfriend, your wife, that likes, kind of like tchotchke stuff, right? And you don't have to take up a lot of room in your house either. So you could have your wife collect a bunch of things, get her some gifts, and don't have to worry about all the clutter that comes with it, because it'll be on your phone or your computer, right? So that's the cool thing about NFTs. I bet your house is already full of tchotchkes and stuff. So yeah, these are pretty cool. Now, Elementum has some pretty cool stuff going on. Um, I would definitely come over here and just check out their roadmap. You can play the game over here. Um, they just have a whole roadmap and everything. Why blockchain? Why ICP? Technical. Like, this is all their partners: Infinity Swap, Yummy, Plethora, Tonic, Vibrant, NFT.art, Inside Dark Studios, which are great developers on the internet computer. They develop a lot of the games over here. ICP Maximalist, which is from Plethora, of course. And then I don't know what that is, but yeah. So what is Bounty Rush? Bounty Rush is a game built for the internet computer where players can stake their ICP in a casino style game using their Elementum NFTs to increase their, okay, I was right, to increase their chances of victory. Play to earn in quick matches that will test your ability to lead and fool opponents for maximum profit. Learn everything about how Bounty Rush works. This is a comprehensive guide of the game, especially useful for new players. A must read before diving into matches, and then you go and read more. So, and then the glossary, all the terms used inside Bounty Rush explained, so you know what to expect and understand every step of the match. So, shout out to King Love for looking into this project for me, giving me, the information to go off of, and just kind of letting me know this is a legit project to be looking at, and it definitely is. Of course, like I said, I've been talking to these guys, and they're really dedicated to the community, and that's what we want in a project. So come over here, check this out, and maybe play. You'll have to log in with your wallet if you want to. Like, if you don't like using your normal wallet, throw like an ICP or something into a different wallet. Use that one to log in. If you log in, it says that you can log in with your Bitfinity wallet, it looks like, or what, I'm not sure what that is, Plug or Stoic though. That looks like a Bitfinity. Yeah, Bitfinity wallet. So those are the three major wallets on the internet computer. They do have a lot more, like even Discover, like we were looking at earlier, is a wallet, Open Chat, but you can't really connect them like you can with these basically everywhere. So you're going to want to definitely do that, and just create a new wallet if you want, or just use your regular wallet. This is legit. Just always be careful. Do your own research. Don't listen to me. Um, so BoomDAO has my attention peaked, right? There is a lot of big plans for gaming on the internet computer, and I want to be a part of that. I'm a gamer through and through. That's where the name Renegade came from, was my cat, and then my gamer tag, right? So that is what we do. We play games, and now we're getting into being able to build games, working with some of the world's best people, the best artists, the best developers, and the best coders, right? Especially Motoko. So BoomDAO, their mission, Boom Gaming DAO's threefold mission, is to build the gaming vertical on the internet computer blockchain, power the next generation of fully on-chain games, which is just your regular traditional game, but on the blockchain, right? Web3, from Web 2 to Web 3, it's just an upgrade, and provide a collaborative hub for all things Web3 gaming. So this is really cool. Imagine it like PC gaming, but on steroids, and way safer, cheaper, and you can own the actual items in game. So this is really interesting. Showcase the new capabilities of the internet computer for gaming. We are committed to demonstrating the unique capabilities of the internet computer blockchain by pushing its gaming vertical, bringing the technology into the mainstream by exploiting its vibrant gaming ecosystem. Now, when they're talking about bringing gaming vertical, right? So what you can do is you can actually have like a plugin that can use a traditional way of developing a game, and basically plug that into the internet computer through their their HTTPS outcall type thing and make it secure on the blockchain, you can basically turn any game that can be created in the traditional market on the internet computer, is what they're saying. So the gaming ecosystem is going to be fire on the internet computer. It already kind of is. It's still kind of under build, but a lot of games that have been working for a year or two. There's a new one, Dragons, that's been developing that Dominic Williams talks about. There is Emolad, which is like a dwarf, like kind of elfish type dwarf game. You have weapons and dwarves and different characters, and you just have a lot of cool games being built, including ICP Renegades, which is it might just be called Renegades, ICP Renegades. The NFT is going to be ICP Renegades. The game, we haven't 100% decided on the name. So we are dedicated, build the foundational infrastructure for on-chain gaming. So that is just, like I said, the blockchain for traditional gaming, except it's more safe, more secure, and you own your in-game pieces. We are dedicated to developing the infrastructure that will power the next generation of fully on-chain games on ICP, creating new possibilities for gamers and developers alike. So that's number 2. Foster collaboration in the ICP gaming community. And this is where we're hoping to partner with these guys. I was talking to Ben Papernick of Code and State, and he's the one who hooked us up with Plethora. I kind of knew those guys, but I didn't really know the developers. I made videos for Plethora back in the day, but now we're going to be hooked up with ICP Maximalist, hopefully, or a guy named Max. I'm not sure if they're the same guy, but we'll see what's going on with that. And hopefully we can also get in touch with BoomDAO, because that's what Ben was also doing, is getting us in touch with these guys for our game. So I was like, hey, why not do a video on BoomDAO then? Like let's get these guys interested in us. Let's help them out a little bit, and let's build together. So foster collaboration in the ICP gaming community. We're creating an all-in-one collaborative hub where anyone involved in ICP gaming can contribute and reap the benefits, whether they're a gamer, builder, developer, guild, investor, partner, or other stakeholders. So they're kind of including everybody in it. I really would like to see where this is going in the future, the plans that they have. It looks like they have open source tools. We embrace the spirit of collaboration and collective growth to foster network effects for the game developers across the internet computer ecosystem. Everything we build will always be open source. Game launcher, world engine, world template, Unity templates, tools, standards, examples, and more to come. So that's why this is cool. This is Unity. This is like a traditional template. Like I was saying, you can use traditional developer tools on the internet computer. You could actually turn everything here, the game launcher, from PC over to the internet computer, like a plugin, the world. You could do all of this kind of with traditional developing tools, but it's a little bit more complicated as it runs on the blockchain. So, and more to come. So the world engine and on-chain protocol weaving together the complex architecture of ICP games into one. BoomDAO Game Launcher, a platform for discovering games, deploying games builds to smart contract canisters. So what they're doing is they're implementing traditional developing skills, making a way for them to build on the internet computer in a decentralized and on-chain way through smart contracts. That's really awesome. So the BoomDAO Unity template, a comprehensive Unity template with all the necessary code for integration with ICP. So this is cool. BoomDAO ICP.net, a library for .net, C plus, I think that's what, or C, yeah, I think it's C plus, I don't know. Unity to natively communicate with the internet computer ICP. So then we have BoomDAO World template, a ready to go smart Motoko template to launch a world canister smart contract manually. Then we have the BoomDAO examples, useful implementations to help game developers collaborate and kickstart game development. So I really, really want to work with these guys. The more that I read about this, this is fire. This is absolutely freaking cool. So one-stop game platform, shorten game development timelines from months to days, deploy WebGL, PC, and Android game canisters. See, traditional developing on the internet computer. Create NFT and token collections, perform seamless airdrops, manage in-game NFT and token minting, process payments and staking, configure your world smart contract, and more. So let's see if we can go into the game launcher. This is freaking awesome. I'm really glad I looked into this, guys. So let's go back to the chat and see what you guys think about that as well, for a second, because I'm excited now. Like I kind of looked at it earlier. Hey, Clipser, my guy, go follow him on YouTube. This is another gamer friend of mine. He makes Fortnite stuff, and we're just trying to help him build his channel. He's a really great dude. Maybe one day I'm gonna give him one of my NFTs that I get, and maybe he'll turn into a Web3 gamer. Who knows? But he's definitely doing some cool stuff on YouTube. Thanks for showing up, bro. Um, Appreciate the support. I just gently press the like button. I hope that works as well as smashing it. Give it a love tap over there. Just a little love tap. Um, but yeah, so Boom DAO is basically making the barrier for entry from traditional gaming to Web3 gaming an afterthought, right? So it's going to be something that people don't have to worry about as much. They can take their traditional developer skills, like I'm trying to get my older brother to do, because he does a lot of game developing. He's releasing like some games in Japan. He works on PC and a lot of that stuff. He knows a lot more about like developing than I do, so it'd probably be a seamless transition if he has time, right? So that's the thing. It's like trying to make time, but the thing is, time is money, right? And so the internet computer and all of these different grant programs and your places like BoomDAO, you also have Funded app, where if you're building a project, you say, hey, I think we can raise like 1,000 or 2,000. I'm not sure what the minimum is, but you get a minimum amount. And if you raise that amount, you can use it for your game developing, your metaverse, your developers. And then you can, once you get a game going, you have a demo, you can get a grant. And then after the grant, you turn into a DAO. The community fund could support you. You could raise over 1 million ICP, like some of these projects like SNS, launch of Hot or Not token. You have your SNS1 that's now Dragons token. They're building a game. That just these massive things that are happening on the internet computer. We want to be a part of that. I know I couldn't do community award grants forever. I'm still always going to make ICP content, but I want to go where there's more value for me and my community, just to make us a lot of money, and have a lot of fun at the same time. Like not just me. I want my mods to make money. I want my friends to make money. I want, all of the people that participate and support the community. I want them to make money, right? And so that's why we didn't wait until like next year launch. We kind of got this project out really quick. Ashtosh has been working his butt off. As you see, those NFTs are not easy to make, but we need support of people like BoomDAO, that are absolutely taking every single tool that we need, the game launchers, the traditional developing tools, all of these tools that make it a seamless transition, even for people like it would take you 6 months to learn how to code Motoko from scratch, right? And that's if you're pretty smart. It would only take you 7 days to learn how to build on the internet computer from traditional developing. So that kind of transition from 6 months to 7 days is absolutely fire. And BoomDAO is absolutely leading the ICP gaming revolution, in my opinion. And it's just really cool to see these kind of things that really take hold and have Dominic Williams talking about the gaming and dragons and all of that stuff. And we're hopefully going to get DK Lord to either tweet out or like partner with us somehow. He's a really cool guy. I'm friends with Aguido. They made the ICP Bucks, IC Bucks collection. So we're really connected in the community, but you guys are our biggest supporters. So I think that's about all we have for today. I'm going to leave you with our video again at the end, just so you can take a look at them bikes, slow it down. Let us know in the comments which one's your favorite. These are going to be all but one of the bikes. If you want to see the last bike, it's only on Twitter. I didn't do that on purpose, but it kind of got cut out of the video. So I was like, hey, let's just use this. This is probably one of the coolest bikes out there, besides the chopper, right? So, all right, guys, that being said, goodbye and good ICP gaming. Bang!